Hi, I'm Joe at Family Handyman. Say you're over budget on your remodeling project, but you still need to trim out your windows, your doors, and you need baseboard trim. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own trim out of 1/2" MDF for a fraction of the cost of store-bought trim. Let's get started. First thing to do is set up 2 sawhorses about 6 feet apart. Because my sawhorses are made of metal, I needed to secure a 2x4 to the top of them as an attaching cleat. Next, attach an 8-foot 2x4 on top of the 2 attaching cleats as cross supports. Make the first one flush with the edge of the cleat to join the 2 sawhorses together. Attach another 8-foot cross support about 1 inch away from your first one. Lay another 8-foot 2x4 on top of your attaching cleats as a movable cross support. Pre-priming the 4x8 sheet of MDF will save you time down the road. You will only have to touch up the edges of the trim after they're cut. Now that the primer is dry, let's talk about trim profiles. Colonial, ranch, and square trim are some of the common trim profiles you can find at your building supply stores. You can easily make these trim profiles or make your own custom trim using a router. Set up your router with a bearing bit to create the decorative edge on your trim. Route the leading edge of the 4x8 sheet of MDF before every cut you make. A router table with a fence is another great option for creating a decorative edge on trim. Set up your saw with a rip guide to the desired width you want your trim. You also want to put some tape on the bottom of your table of your saw so you don't scratch off the primer. Measure from the leading edge of the 4x8 sheet and make a pencil mark the width of your trim. Align those 2 marks in the gap between the 2 cross supports for your saw blade to ride. Use quick release clamps on both ends. A word of caution, breathing MDF dust can be very hazardous to your health. You always want to wear a mask and, if possible, hook a vacuum to your saw. After you rip your first piece of trim, lay the cut piece on top of the sheet and pull the sheet toward you, aligning the inside edge with the gap for your next cut. Again, remember to route the decorative edge before each cut, and then keep repeating the process until you're done. I got 8 pieces of 5 1/4 inch baseboard trim out of 1 sheet of MDF. That's 64 lineal feet of trim. All I have to do is prime the edges, put a top coat of paint, and I'm ready to put the baseboard trim down. For more money-saving tips like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.